In our lines and markers videos, we showed you that you could include images in your info windows. But first you have to upload the images you want to use. In this video, we'll show you how to do that. When you're on the Routes and Lines Management page or the Manage Map Markers page, you'll see a button below your map that says Manage Graphics for Info Windows. Clicking on that will open a dialog where you can upload your image. Click on Choose File and then browse to the image you want to upload. Double-click the image or click it and then click Open. The image will appear in the Image File field. Next, give your image a title. This title won't display to your customers, just name it so that it makes sense to you. And then click Save Graphic. Now when you click on Manage Graphic for Info Windows, you'll see your image in the current graphics list. Now that you have an image uploaded, we'll show you how to add it to an info window. We'll use the info window for my existing line. I'll click in the info window where I'd like to insert my image, and then I'll click on the Add Image icon in the editing toolbar. This will open an image editing dialog. In the image dropdown, you'll see the names of the images you've uploaded. There's my shuttle image. You can adjust several elements of the image, but we'll keep this one simple for now and come back to those fields later. Click Submit to place the image. That looks weird there, so I'm going to move it to the bottom of the window. I'll just highlight it, click Ctrl-X to cut it, and then Ctrl-V to paste it to a different spot. And then click on Save Changes. Now when you click on the line to see the info window, your image will be there too. If you no longer have use for an image, you can easily remove it from your active graphics. I'll upload another image to demonstrate. Okay, so now when we click on Manage Graphics for Info Windows, we'll see the two images that I've uploaded. To remove one, just click on the red X next to it. When you go back in, you'll see that it's been removed. If you click on Show or Hide Removed Items, you'll see it in the Removed Items list. To restore it, just click on the green check mark. Now you'll see it's been added back to the current graphics list. Let's go back to those other image properties we skipped past earlier. I'll edit the shuttle image I uploaded earlier. I'll highlight it and click on the Image button in the editing toolbar. Then I'll select the name of the image in the dropdown. You can alter image width, add a border, margin, or alt text, and change the alignment of the image. The image will upload based on its default size, but you can edit the width if you want. I'll set this to 80. The border is an outline or frame you can put around an image. I'll give it a border with a thickness level of 2. You can also put a margin around your image, which is basically buffer space or padding. I'll give this image a margin of 10. Alt text is what appears in a tooltip if you hover over the image. I'll put basic alt text that tells what the image is. I'm going to leave the alignment set to default, which is to the left, but you could also align it to the right if you wanted. I'll click Submit to apply my selections. You can see the image is now smaller, has a border around it, and has a margin around it. You can play around with these settings to achieve a look that you like. I prefer it the way that it was, so I'll set it back to the default settings. I decided to leave the alt text, which you can see when I hover over the image. And that's about all you need to know about uploading and editing your own images on MyTrax GPS. We also have detailed step-by-step instructions with lots of screenshots that you can download from our website.